Planning to sleep in your car or head out on a road trip? One of the biggest challenges isn't just finding a place to park, it's figuring out what to eat. When you're car camping, you don't always have the luxury of a kitchen or even a cooler. In this video, I'll share some of the best foods to take with you. No cooking, no mess, and no cleanup required. Whether you're traveling, camping, or just living simply, these easy food ideas will keep you full, save you time, and make life on the road a lot more comfortable. Trail mix and nuts, seeds, and dried fruit are the classic car camping food for a reason. They're calorie-dense, shelf-stable, and packed with protein. A small bag can keep you going for hours, and there's zero cleanup. Beef jerky or plant-based jerky is portable, doesn't need refrigeration, and provides a salty, savory protein hit. It's lightweight, making it perfect for road trips and outdoor adventures. Peanut butter or nut butter packs. Single-serve nut butter packets or a jar of peanut butter are lifesavers. Spread it on crackers, bread, or fruit, or just eat it with a spoon for quick energy. Crackers, rice cakes, or flatbreads. Unlike regular bread, crackers and rice cakes don't get squished or go stale quickly. They pair well with nut butter, cheese, or even tuna packs for a simple meal. Canned or pouch. Tuna, chicken, or salmon foil. Pouches of tuna or chicken are a great no-mess protein source. Tear one open, add some seasoning or mayo packets, and you've got a meal ready to go. Fresh fruit, apples, oranges, and bananas travel well and don't need refrigeration. Grapes and berries can work too if you eat them quickly. Fruit is refreshing and adds variety to shelf-stable foods. Cut vegetables. Baby carrots, celery sticks, or snap peas can survive a few days without refrigeration. Pair them with hummus cups or peanut butter for a healthy snack. Granola bars and protein bars. Compact, tasty, and long-lasting. These are the definition of grab-and-go food. They're also easy to stash in glove compartments or backpacks for quick fuel. Instant oatmeal packets. All you need is hot water, which you can often find at gas stations or with a small travel kettle. Oatmeal packets are lightweight, filling, and customizable with dried fruit or nut butter. Cheese. Hard cheeses like cheddar or Gouda hold up well without refrigeration for short trips. Cheese sticks or individually wrapped slices are great for portion control. Shelf-stable milk or plant-based milk boxes. These small cartons don't need a fridge until opened. Perfect if you like cereal, oatmeal, or just a glass of milk. Tortillas. Tortillas store better than bread and can be used to wrap almost anything, from peanut butter and bananas to tuna salad. They're versatile and easy to pack, ready to eat soups and chili. There are many brands of shelf-stable soups, stews, and chili that come in microwavable pouches. If you don't have heat, you can still eat them cold in a pinch. Energy drinks, instant coffee, and tea bags for caffeine lovers. Single-serve coffee sticks or instant tea bags are lightweight and quick. Pair them with a thermos of hot water and you're set. Bottled water and electrolyte packets. Staying hydrated is crucial. Keep plenty of bottled water and consider electrolyte powders or tablets to replace minerals if you're out in the heat. Sweet treats. Don't underestimate the morale boost of a little chocolate, cookies, or candy. Small comfort foods go a long way when you're on the road. When packing food for car camping, think about three things: no refrigeration, no cleanup, and high energy value. Foods that can sit in your car without spoiling, keep you full, and don't require cooking are the best choices. Rotate your stock, don't let things sit too long, and keep a small trash bag handy for wrappers. And there you have it, some of the best no-cook, no-mess foods to take car camping. With a little planning, you'll save time, avoid cleanup, and always have something tasty on hand. Which of these foods is your go-to for the road? Drop a comment below and share your favorite. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out my other videos in this series on how to make car camping easier, safer, and more comfortable.